Differential weighing is a weighing option for the mail machine. In order to access differential weighing, it must be purchased and available on the mail machine. It may be included at the time of machine purchase or added later as an upgrade. Navigate to the mailing section in S.M.A.R.T, then proceed to Scale Options. Within the Scale Options menu, you'll find three choices: Manual Weighing on the left side, Weighing Platform, WP, in the center, and Dynamic Scale on the right side, which is the weigh-on-weigh scale for the IX7 and IX9. If differential weighing has been purchased, two corresponding buttons will be active. If not, these will appear grayed out. Select Differential Weighing and press OK. The system will be ready to process the differential weighing, and you can put a tub or basket on the scale. As you remove each mail piece, the system automatically calculates its weight and price. Another option available is differential weighing with auto tape. If you'd like a tape to eject after the piece is processed, this option is the best choice. After selecting this option and pressing OK, you can place a basket on the scale. As each item is removed, the system calculates the weight and price and automatically ejects the tape. The system will tell you to place the mail onto the weighing platform and remind you to remove one piece at a time. This feature is especially useful when processing boxes, items of varying weights, or mixed-size mail pieces.